Hello, I'm Grace. Do you struggle to see yourself properly when you get ready every day? Well, I know I do, and I've been looking for a dressing table that can help me solve this problem. Because let's face it, nobody wants to leave the house looking like a hot mess. So I found this amazing dressing table that has triple mirrors. That's fantastic because you can see your face in different angles. You can see yourself here, there, and there. I just love this dressing table. Let's talk about extra storage. I know I'm always looking for extra shelves because I just have too many cosmetics. Now this dressing table is very great for that. Look at this. You can store a lot of things over here because it's 2 shelves, and you can even add an additional one if you like. Plus, it has very big room to make sure that when you sit, you are very comfortable. It doesn't matter how tall you are, you'll be able to fit in your legs and be able to relax while you get ready. Now, this dressing table is just really amazing. It also has drawers. Just look at this, 5 different drawers, okay? You can put in as many extra things as you like. It can be your makeup brushes, you can put in your blending sponges, you can have different things that you put in here to help you access them easily. It's really, really useful and very, very big, including the 5 shelves and the 2 open shelves. Are you looking for a dressing table that also transforms as a writing table? Well, this table does both. Not only is it elegant, modern, and minimalistic, but it is also compactable and can easily blend into any design or any room that you have. This flip-top mirror converts this writing table into a dressing table. It has this sleek, removable compartment which enables you to have lots of rooms to store all your different cosmetics and any other things you might want to store in your dressing table. And it looks pretty cool, I must say. How cute is this stool? Well, this cushioned nesting stool comes with the dressing table, which makes it very comfortable and very convenient to sit and either read or get ready with your dressing table. It's also space saving because you can put this nesting stool underneath it to save space. This is a whole elegant look. I like both these dressing tables for different reasons. This one is great for everyday makeup use. I especially love it because it has a triple mirror. That means I can look at myself from 3 different angles. I love the open shelves and the drawers. Plus, it has this amazing, elegant, smooth finish. I also like this one because it can brighten up any room and it is compactable enough to fit into any space. Whether you have a big room or a smaller room, it's also perfect for that. You can use it as a writing table and you can use it as a dressing table to store all your cosmetics as well. Both of these dressing tables would make amazing gifts for your friends or family. It is up to you to choose which one you like best. But personally, I like them both. Are you working from home and looking for a writing desk? Well, I have something special for you. This oak and white desk is your solution. Not only does it have 6 compartment storage, but it also has a pull-out drawer, amazing, and it also has extra storage over here. Plus, there's also a wire compartment, wire port to put in all your wires if you're using a computer from home. So you can use this port to ensure that your table stays neat. And it also has enough leg room for you to stretch your feet while you work from home. It is easy to clean and affordable. Plus, this design can fit into any room because of its color combination. It is very modern. I like it. Tired of the typical leather and racing chair? I found this linen upholstery office chair. Not only is it padded and high rise, it also has high rise arms. And this linen upholstery makes it very comfortable because it allows your body to breathe. It also has a maximum weight capacity of 120 kilograms. And it also rotates at a 360 angle, or rotates from all angles. It is very modern and stylish. The height is adjustable, meaning it can accommodate everyone. The seasons are changing, and we all know that lighting plays an important role in our home living. I found this Nordic style floor lamp. It has a white fabric shade, all natural bamboo tripod, and a middle tray that can be used for storing books, plants, and other decorations. Plus, it has a convenient foot switch. Please note that the lamp is not included in the light. Therefore, that means you can buy your own lamp and decide on how dim or how bright you want your room to be. Lighting sets the theme for our homes. This floor lamp has a wooden stand, linen fabric that is environmentally friendly and not made out of plastic or viscose. This lamp is stylish and minimal to blend into any room, including lounges, hallways, and most living rooms. It also has a floor on and off switch. The bulbs are not included. 2 floor lamps to choose from. Which one would you go for? This one is elegant and has a Nordic design. It also is made out of solid natural bamboo, has extra storage space for all your plants and other decorations, while this one is made out of linen, has 2 bulbs for more ambiance, and has a slim fit and minimal design that can blend into any room. This is more suitable for living areas and dining rooms. This one can blend into any room and hallways as well. They both have foot switches, making them both convenient floor lamps, and they are both environmentally friendly. We are currently running a massive competition where if you purchase on our website, your name will be put into a lucky draw where you can get yourself an iPhone 12. During Black Friday, we have up to 15% off and flash sales from £1. Follow us on our Facebook and our Instagram account, or subscribe to our website to get all the latest discount info.